Look at this cool hovering effect. We can achieve this effect by just using Tailwind. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's start by defining the menu items, and here we can see that we added the first feature, that is to reduce the opacity of the other elements when we hover on one item. This is achieved thanks to the group class, which allows us to style based on parent state. Then the other important element is peer, which allows us to style based on sibling state. So in this way, we can reduce opacity and zoom the background when we are hovering on the menu items. I hope you learned something new from this short video, and I'll see you in the next one.